Assalamu alaikum and welcome again to ChadNass TV. Today we are going to continue our lesson concerning linking words, and today we are going to talk about linkers that we need to use when we link, when we talk about cause and effect. Cause and effect. We have cause and effect means the cause of something and the consequence of something. So as you may notice, we are going to talk about two kinds of linkers. Meaning the linkers needed for introducing the cause and linkers needed to introduce the effect or the consequence. ان شاء الله اليوم الدرس ديالنا غادي يتكلم على ادوات الربط اللي كتعلق ب السبب والنتيجة. اوكي يعني كنحتاجوا واحد ادوات ربط معينة. So let's begin, and as usual we are going to take a sample or a sentence on which we are going to work and use these different linkers concerning the cause and effect. And I have chosen as an example this one. This one, look, it was raining, full stop, I stayed at home. So this example, we can combine these two sentences by using both the cause and linker or effect linkers. How? So let's begin by introducing the cause. Now here, we should be, before talking about this cause and effect linkers, let's see now where is the cause and where is the consequence. It was raining. So this is what? This is the cause. And the effect is, or the consequence of this rain or this bad weather is staying at home. So we know this is the cause, this is the cause, and this is the effect. Now let's begin using using the cause linkers, introducing the cause. So here, introduce the cause, we can use as linkers, we can use because, as, or since. So these three linkers are followed by a sentence. You know what a sentence is? A subject plus verb. So in Arabic, because, everybody knows what is because. لأن, as, and since, all of them mean because. So let's combine the cause and this effect by using these linkers. So it becomes I stayed at home because it was raining. I stayed at home as it was raining. And I stayed at home since it was raining. So the meaning of this is that because, it means because of this. So these are the first group of linkers which introduce the cause. Now the second category is because of, and due to, and owing to. بسبب. بسبب or من أجل. Okay, so due to. So these are followed by not a sentence but followed by a noun. So here I'd like to talk to my students of Baccalaureate. So in this case we need word formation. For example, here we have it was raining, I stayed at home. So this is the cause. I will begin with this one. So raining is a verb. So but we are obliged to form from the verb we need a noun. في هذه الحالة هذه بالنسبة للتلاميذ ديال السنة الثانية بكالوريا، إذا عندي فعل وكنحتاج نستخرج من الفعل نستخرج منه اسم. إذا كنرجع لهذاك الدرس نتاع word formation where we need suffixes, prefixes. Okay. هذا هو الدرس ديال اللواحق والبادئات لأن كنحتاجو هذا الدرس هذا باش نكونوا من الفعل نكونوا اسم. So we need form from this verb, we need a noun. So it becomes now, because we need a noun, I stayed at home due to, or because, sorry, because of, because of, okay, I forgot, so it becomes I stayed at home due to, because of, and owing to the rain. Look, this is the noun. From the verb we have a noun. يعني اشتقنا من الفعل اشتقنا الاسم. So now let's move to the following linker or cause linker. We have thanks to. Thanks to is followed by a noun. So I've chosen to talk about another example because thanks to in Arabic بفضل كنقولوا احنا بفضل يعني كتكون شي حاجه ايجابيه بحال في الفرنسيه كنقولوا à cause de et grâce à cause de grâce à كتكون دائما شي حاجه ايجابيه. اذا I have chosen to use another example. For example, I got the first grade in the exam thanks to my hard working. اختاريت هذه الجملة هذه لأن thanks to كتكون كنهضر على شي حاجة إيجابية بفضل المجهودات بفضل التضحية. So I got the first grade. حصلت على النقطة الأولى في الامتحان بفضل ماذا؟ بفضل المجهود الجبار اللي قمت به. Hard working. So now let's move to when we introduce the effect. نتكلموا دابا فاش كنقدموا السبب، نتكلموا على السبب او النتيجه ديال هاد نتكلموا على النتيجه ديال السبب. اذا we have therefore. So with the same sentence, therefore, look at the possession of therefore. It was raining, so we have a full stop. Therefore, comma, I stayed at home. So as a consequence, okay? So we talk about بسبب لهذا السبب أو. So consequently, look, it was raining, comma, consequently I stayed at home. So we can also say it was raining, full stop. As a consequence, I stayed at home. As a result, I have chosen another example here, sorry. I worked hard. خدمت جيدا. As a result, والنتيجة ديالها كنتيجة. As a result, I got the first grade. Now, let's talk here about another linker. For this reason, it was raining, full stop. For this reason, I stayed at home. So, these are some of course, there are many other linkers, but I'm trying to choose the linkers that we may find in the exam. أكيد أن كاين أدوات ربط كثيرة، ولكن إحنا كنستهدفوا الامتحان الوطني وما يمكن أننا نوجدوه في الامتحان الوطني باش ما نتقلوش على التلاميذ. الله يحسن لهم في هذه الفترة اللي نقدروا الظروف ديالهم والضغوطات اللي عليهم. ما بغيناش نضغطوا عليهم بزاف، كنحاولوا نستهدفوا بعض الدروس او بعض الاشياء اللي ممكن نلقاوها في الامتحان الوطني. And for this I wish you to all students of baccalaureate good luck, and I ask them not to worry, okay, because I'm sure that everything is gonna be all right with them, okay, inshallah. And at the end I'd like to say thanks for watching and wish you a nice day.